friends, how are you doing? Today I am going to show you very beautiful pattern. This is the pattern. This is the multiple of 4 and I have taken 2 extra for this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Ten, 11, 12 and 2 extra, 1, 2. Knit one line. We will purl the wrong side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. This pattern starts from the right side, multiple of 4, and it's only 2 rows pattern. So now we are in the front side, straight side. So first one we'll just knit, and now we start the pattern by knitting. These three stitches we will take, 1, 2, 3, and we will knit from the back like this. You should keep your hand little bit loose. This one stitch we took, we made one. Now put the thread like this and we will knit the first one, first stitch only with this, and slide same time. Now 2 are left and 1 we have to make this 3, and 1 we will take from the next, and we will see it's like that. 1, 1, 2, 3. We will make 1 stitch from this. Please keep hand little bit loose, and now we can draw all together this way. Again we will do the same thing. 3 stitches we will take. 1. To make it loose, we will put the needle like that, and then we will go back. For the 3 stitches we will knit this 3, these 3. We will make one stitch this way, then the another, second, and now we will knit this one, but from the back, only the first one. So this became 3 again, and we can drop it. Now 2 stitches are left. 1 we will take from the next, this one. We will go back, stitch from the back. We will knit from the back, and now we can drop it this way. Again same thing, 3 stitches from the back. Like this it becomes a little bit loose. We will go to the back, 1, 2, 3, knit 1. We made 1. Now the next one, fold the thread and knit the first one, first stitch only, this stitch, and same time we can drop the stitch we are dropping. Now 2 are left and 1 we will take from the next. So these became 3. Go back, we'll knit from the back side, and this is the 4th one. We made it, and now we can draw the last one. From both the sides we will knit 1. That's it. Now the back side of it, reverse side, we will purl all, but keep hand little bit loose, make loose. so that it's easy to knit. This is just 2 rows and pattern is finishing. We purl all. Now we go to the right side, first row. Again we will do the same. First one knit or drop, up to you. Now we will take 3 and we will knit from the back side like this. Make one stitch. Then this is the second one and we will knit only 1 stitch from this. So this is the third one. So now we can drop this like this way. Now 2 are left. These 2 and 1 we take from the next. We will make 1 loop from these 3 this way like this, and now we can drop. So it goes this way. Again we will take 3. These 3 go back, knit 1 stitch, make second one this way and knit 1 from this one only, but from the back, not from the front, from the back. This is done. Now we can drop the single knit and we go to these 2 and 1 we take from the next. So these became 3 stitches. We will make 1 stitch out of it. These 3. So now we can drop this. Again the same thing, 3 stitches, knit from the back, 1, put the thread, fold the thread this way, knit only the first stitch, this one, from the back. These became 3 and drop it. Not all, only the first one. Now again 2 and this is the third one. We are taking the next one, knit it as 1 from 3. And now we can drop these 3 together. This one also knit. This is the front side. This is the front side of your pattern. And now we go to the back side, reverse side. We will purl all the stitches. Keep hand little bit loose so that it's easy to make the pattern. I have taken these 14 stitches. So it's very simple and easy and very fast. Is coming up. This looks like that. I will complete and show you more. So after making more, it looks this way. As you complete more, it will be looking more good. So this is just small pattern. Thank you. I hope you like the pattern and you will try this one because it's very easy. Thanks for watching.